drive 2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.